Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us, and if you're preparing for competitive exams, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Legal Bee. Stay tuned with all the beneficial videos that we keep on providing you, which are helpful in your exam preparation. Do check out iExamB's courses for various exams that are available on iExamB's website. आप iExamB के courses के demo भी activate करके देख सकते हैं. And in case you have any doubts, queries, you can write an email to us on hello@iexamb.com, or you can call us on this number 9205524028. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. Today I'm going to discuss about this preparation strategy of SEBI Grade Legal Officer exam, specially designed for the final year students. In my previous video, I have discussed SEBI Grade A Legal Officer exam preparation strategy for professionals who are working professionals who are doing a job. And in today's video, I'm going to discuss about the students of final year. The other students who are in other years of LLB also can take some idea from this preparation strategy. But I have focused mainly on the final year students because they are eligible to take the exam in the appearing manner. So what are the benefits of preparing for or appearing the SEBI Legal exam in your final year of LLB? First, let us talk about that. Fresh law graduates are eligible for this exam. So आप अगर इसको appearing mode में देते हैं, then you have the benefits that the subjects are afresh in your mind. Whatever you have studied from your first year, जैसे जैसे आपके experience बढ़ता है, definitely you gather more experience and specialization in some or the other area. But the other subjects which are a part of your syllabus, those are afresh in your mind when you are in your graduation year. And final year में भी जो आपके subjects होंगे, वो भी आप पढ़ रहे होंगे. There is a study mindset also. You are in the exam mindset also. क्योंकि आप एग्जाम्स दे रहे हो, आप स्टडीज में हो. वंस यू गेट इनटू द जॉब सेक्टर, देन आपकी एग्जाम देने की आदत छूट जाती है या आपकी स्टडीज करने की आदत छूट जाती है. देयर इज अ ब्रेक इन बिटवीन. सो इफ यू आर इन योर फाइनल ईयर, दैट इज एक्चुअली द परफेक्ट टाइम फॉर यू. You can start your preparation for this examination. If at all you are determined to join the SEBI only, then you can start your preparation. First, you have to be very clear that what are your career goals. Until and unless that is clear, you cannot start with this. So this you have to be very clear. What are your career prospects? And if you are going for this excellent opportunity, definitely you have good career prospects. As soon as you start, it is always good for you. जितना जल्दी आपका career start होता है, उतना जल्दी आपका promotion भी होगा and you get settled down in life. So definitely it's very good if you go for, and don't think that if you are focusing on this, you cannot focus on your final year. Definitely you have to apply some strategy over here and prepare. Definitely final year examinations are more important for you. That you cannot compromise because those you have to clear and then only you will be eligible. फाइनल ईयर में भी अगर आप ये एग्जाम देते हैं तो आप एलिजिबल तभी होगे जब आप फाइनल ईयर का आपका रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. वो आना जरूरी है उस टाइम में. सो दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू बी कीप ऑन चेकिंग दैट व्हेन द नोटिफिकेशन कम्स एंड व्हेन आर योर सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू हैव टू प्लान. But your preparation will not go waste if you start preparing according to this. Definitely you will not be burdened when the exam notification comes. And even if you are going for the exam in your next year also, this preparation is going to help. It's a competitive exam. More preparation you do will be less only. Okay, so that you can do. Time management is very important over here. When you're preparing for any competitive examination, time management is very important. But the people who are very free, who are giving full time for studies for this examination, comparatively have more time. But you cannot do that. You have to strategize your preparation. You don't have any option. You have to carve out all the important topics of this examination. For that, what you can do, आप previous year papers check कर सकते हैं, आप mock test check कर सकते हैं. हमारे iExamB के website पे memory based papers भी हैं, आप वो भी देख सकते हैं. You can get an idea that what are the important topics, and according to that you can go about with the preparation. Chalk out the common topics for your final year semester course. Whatever your subjects are there in your final year. Why final year? Because you are going to study that, or you are already studying that in the college. Your classes are going on for that. So definitely वहाँ पे आपकी पढ़ाई कवर हो ही रही है. So वो सब्जेक्ट्स और सेबी में जो सब्जेक्ट्स कॉमन है, यानी कि जो सेबी के सिलेबस में भी है और जो आपके फाइनल ईयर के सिलेबस में भी है, जिसपे आप एग्जाम्स भी लिख रहे हो और जो आप कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे हो, एवरी डे यू आर गोइंग फॉर क्लासेस. सो दोज टॉपिक्स यू नीड टू कार्व आउट फर्स्ट. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर यू. आइडेंटिफाई योर स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस. अभी तक जो भी आपने एलएलबी में पढ़ा, जो भी आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है, और वो सेबी के सिलेबस में है, जो आपकी वीकनेस है और वो सेबी के सिलेबस में है, दैट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई because there are many subjects in LLB. What is the specific syllabus of SEBI legal exam that you have to check? Practice mock tests that will give you a clear picture of the examination and where you stand also. Practice descriptive answer writing, as you don't have only English but you also have the legal descriptive section in phase 2, so that also you have to do. Here you are at an advantage. Let me tell you how, because you are going to write the descriptive answers even in your semester exams. So वो भी आप टच में रहते हो, एंड स्पेशली जो कॉमन टॉपिक्स है उसके लिए तो आप डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग आंसर कर ही रहे हो अपने एग्जाम्स में. सो यूटिलाइज द थिंग्स विच यू आर ऑलरेडी डूइंग इन द कॉलेज, make it an opportunity for you in your preparation rather than taking it as a burden. Be prepared for multitasking. Definitely you have to do multitasking. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा नहीं है कि एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो हम कुछ अलग कर रहे हैं. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स LLB करते वक्त they are going for internships, they are going for other things, they are making themselves prepared for the future. So that is the same thing which you are doing by preparing for the exam. So be prepared for multitasking and divide your time accordingly. Give equal weightage to the, I would rather say more weightage has to be given to your semester exams. So according to your semester exam, you can plan your studies. Generally, I have given you a tentative idea over here on the slide that which are the subjects that are common for the final year syllabus and the SEBI legal syllabus. This may vary from university to university. कुछ subjects आपको जैसे property law है, administrative law, ये आपको 4th year में भी हो सकता है, and अगर आप 3 years course का LLB कर रहे हो तो आपको ये 2nd year में भी हो सकता है. But यहाँ पे मैंने general idea दिया है, plus minus it can be. CPC Limitation Act, property laws, that is Transfer of Property Act is there in the syllabus of phase 1. Ad law is there, administrative law, company law is very very important. Weightage is there for this. Evidence and CRPC ये भी generally final years में होते हैं. So ये सारे subjects आपके final year के tentatively मैंने यहाँ पे आपको दिए हुए हैं. So what you can do, check it out in the syllabus. Constitution generally final year में नहीं होता, but you are always in touch with Constitution when you are in your college time. So this syllabus you check it out for phase 1. Check the weightages. According to the weightages, you have to give importance to the topic and also the previous year papers. Don't forget that. उस हिसाब से आप सिलेबस चेक कर लो. इसमें कॉर्पोरेट लॉज कवर्ड है, तो इसमें से आपको कौन से सब्जेक्ट फाइनल ईयर के लिए, अगर आपको फाइनल ईयर में सिर्फ कंपनी लॉ है तो ये सब्जेक्ट्स की कैटेगरी चेंज हो जाएगी, या फिर आप उसको साथ में भी प्लान कर सकते हो. क्रिमिनल लॉ में IPC जनरली फाइनल ईयर में नहीं होता, नाउ द BNS, बट एविडेंस होता है जनरली, CRPC होता है. सो लाइक दैट यू कैन प्लान. सिक्योरिटीज लॉ बहुत लोगों के सिलेबस में होता है, बहुत लोगों के सिलेबस में नहीं होता है एक्चुअली. सो दैट यू हैव टू प्लान योर प्रिपरेशन स्पेशली बिकॉज फॉर सिक्योरिटीज लॉ you cannot skip it. Is having 40% weightage. So focus company law and securities law. This is actually I should have written corporate law over here. Corporate law that has LLP also, that has IBC also. These things, company law, whole corporate law actually, and securities law are time consuming also, and these are important also for SEBI exam. So according to that, you have to give time to it. If suppose you have corporate law in your final year, then you can take up securities law. Right. During semester exams, I would like to give you a tip that plan your studies of the common subjects during or before the semester exams. So what will happen? You can manage 2 things at a time. You can also manage your preparation for the semester exams. In that you have descriptive answer writing also, as I told you. So उस समय आप descriptive answers की practice भी कर सकते हो. That will help you for your SEBI syllabus preparation also. So the common subjects which we have discussed, which are there in your final year, those you can leave during the semester exams. You can prepare from SEBI point of view also. How you can plan that? Now phase 1 legal subjects and the securities law, which are actually apart from the common subjects which are there in your syllabus of LLB. Leave them aside. ये सारे subjects को आप पहले cover करो. Devote 4 hours every day other than your college timings. You have to spare time for it. Definitely it may vary कि किसी दिन आपको कॉलेज में कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स मिल गए या कुछ आपको ज्यादा काम है या आप कोई कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो. सो यू हैव टू एडजस्ट दैट मच टाइम एंड कंपनसेट दैट टाइम ऑन द वीकेंड्स. ऑन वीकेंड्स यू कैन गिव मोर टाइम एंड यू कैन एडजस्ट दैट टाइम. सो बी इन टच विद योर प्रिपरेशन. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सिक्योरिटीज लॉ पहले ले लो, बिकॉज सिक्योरिटीज लॉ जो है वो आपके लिए नया भी हो सकता है. Phase 2 legal subjects with descriptive question practice you can take in the after you have completed this, you can take that. Again 4 hours you have to give every day. 2 hours you can take out in the morning and evening or night time you can take out 2 hours. इस तरीके से आप उसको डिवाइड कर सकते हो. या फिर अगर आपका अर्ली मॉर्निंग कॉलेज होता है तो you can give evening time whole devoted for 4 hours for your studies for SEBI exam. Then what about the common subjects, the final year subjects that you can take during your semester exams? You can plan that. Other than that, you don't have to take that in common with phase 1 and phase 2. उसको अलग कर दो, उन सब्जेक्ट्स की एक अलग कैटेगरी बना दो एंड उनकी प्रिपरेशन और उसका टाइम कहाँ पे डिवाइड करना है आपको, जब आपके सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स पास में होंगे उस समय आप इस पे ज्यादा फोकस कर सकते हो. सो ऑटोमेटिकली you can do both the things at the same time. You can do SEBI exams also at the same time. You can prepare the semester exams also. That you can do. Okay. Mock test solving and revision you can take at the last, means whenever the exam notification will be near, at that time you can take up mock test solving, you can take up revision, and definitely in that also I have kept the same timing only. 4 hours I have kept, and more time you can devote on the weekends and you can compensate it. Now definitely this is just a tentative plan which I am giving you over here. It ultimately depends upon what time availability you have in your college hours and how active you are in your college, and at the same time how dedicated and motivated you are for this particular exam and what is your ultimate career goal. ये सारी चीजों पे डिपेंड करता है एंड अल्टीमेटली यू कैन कस्टमाइज योर स्ट्रैटेजी अकॉर्डिंग टू योरसेल्फ. आप इसमें एक और चीज कर सकते हो, आप ये फेज 2 को ऊपर ले सकते हो, फेज 1 को नीचे ले सकते हो. यू कैन फ्लक्चुएट इट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, बट आई हैव जस्ट गिवन यू अ टेंटेटिव रफ वर्क फॉर यू. आई हैव डन this. You can plan and it is possible. It is not that if you are in your LLB you cannot go for it. Rather it is more easy for you when you are pursuing your graduation. At that time it becomes more easy for you. You are in touch with the studies. Okay. So all the best to everybody for your preparation. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamB, and please remember, don't compromise on your semester exams because those are ultimately going to give you the degree and make you eligible for these exams. Thank you everybody. Stay tuned with us. In case of doubts, queries, reach out to us and download our app. Check out all the course features available even on iExamB's app. We have live classes, we have full course access available even on iExamB's app. We have the daily quizzes also which you can solve on the app. We have daily current affairs also which you can solve on the app. Thank you everybody. Stay tuned.